Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the devices. Update the watch OS and the phone companion app so QR formats match. Once done, open the specific app on your watch that shows the QR code. Pairing, ticket, or payment screens all differ. Make sure the watch screen stays on and brightness is high. Otherwise, your phone's camera may fail to read the code. You are now ready to bring your phone camera or scanner app close and align it with the watch display to capture the code accurately. You point your phone camera at the watch QR and center it until the scanner reads the pattern. Some phones auto-detect while others need a dedicated app. Once scanned, the phone shows the linked action, a website, pairing code, ticket, or payment confirmation, so read it before proceeding. If pairing, follow both device prompts and enter any code shown. Make sure permissions like camera and internet are allowed. Otherwise, the app cannot complete the requested action. You finish by confirming the result on both devices. Verify the ticket opens, the payment completed, or the watch paired. If nothing happens, first try simple fixes. Increase watch brightness, move the phone closer, or wipe fingerprints. Contrast matters. Make sure Bluetooth or Wi-Fi is enabled for pairing flows and restart the companion app if prompts freeze. If problems continue, reboot both devices and retry. That usually clears transient bugs.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.